Namaste and welcome to Mindful Rhythms, a space where we explore the rhythm of the mind, the body, and the soul. I'm Vandana Raj, and today, on the beautiful occasion of Guru Purnima, I just want to pause and speak from my heart. When I look back at my journey, I realize something very beautiful. Wherever I am today, जो भी मैं आज हूँ, उसमें सिर्फ मेरी मेहनत का contribution नहीं है, my dear. It's the blessings, guidance, and unconditional support of so many beautiful souls who became my gurus at different stages of my life. और सबसे पहले मेरे पेरेंट्स, दे वर माई वेरी फर्स्ट गुरुज. उन्होंने मुझे सिर्फ चलना और बोलना ही नहीं सिखाया. दे टॉट मी वैल्यूज, resilience, compassion, integrity, और सबसे important, they taught me how to be a good human being. And for that, I will remain grateful all my life. जैसे जैसे लाइफ आगे बढ़ती गई, I realized something very profound. Life never stopped sending me gurus. कभी एक टीचर के रूप में मेरे सामने आया, कभी एक मेंटोर के रूप में, कभी एक डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन के रूप में, और कभी एक चैलेंज के रूप में, जिसने मुझे अंदर से कंप्लीटली ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दिया. So I have been deeply blessed to learn from some extraordinary spiritual masters. Sadhguru taught me that spirituality is not about escaping life. It's about becoming more conscious in the way we live every single day. Brahma Kumaris taught me the power of silence, that when the mind becomes quiet, the soul begins to speak. Swami Sukhabodh Ji taught me a completely new way of looking at life, that awareness itself is transformational. Dr. Joe Dispenza helped me understand the beautiful connection between science and spirituality, and how our thoughts, emotions, and nervous system have the power to transform our lives. And then there is someone I want to thank from the bottom of my heart, Siddharth Rajshekhar. Even though I had built businesses, faced life's biggest challenges, learned so many healing modalities, somewhere deep inside, I still didn't completely believe in myself. I never imagined that one day I could make a meaningful difference in people's life through coaching and mentoring. He believed in me before I believed in myself. He saw a potential in me that I couldn't see. He gave me the structure, the knowledge, the clarity, or सबसे important, the confidence to step into this beautiful journey of coaching, mentoring, and healing. Today, if I able to touch even one person's life, if someone leaves a session feeling lighter, if someone start believing in themselves because of our conversation, a part of that credit truly goes to him. और सिर्फ इतना ही नहीं, my heartfelt gratitude also goes to every mentor, every coach, and every teacher who has been part of my journey. हर किसी ने मुझे कुछ ना कुछ सिखाया. Some taught me business, some taught me leadership, some taught me healing. और कुछ लोगों ने सिर्फ अपनी प्रेजेंस से मुझे लाइफ का डीपर मीनिंग समझा दिया. और आज मैं एक और ग्रेटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस करना चाहती हूँ टू माई 3 ब्यूटिफुल डॉटर्स. You have never been just my children. You have been my gurus too. Through each one of you, I learned patience, unconditional love, resilience, trust, and the courage to become a stronger woman. There were times when I thought I was raising you, but today, when I look back, I realize you were raising me too. You taught me lessons that no book, no course, and no mentor ever could. Thank you for making me not just a better mother, but a better human being. And then, मैं एक और gratitude express करना चाहती हूँ to all my clients, to every person who trusted me with their healing journey. आप सब भी मेरे गुरु रहे हो. Every story you shared, every tear, every breakthrough, every challenge has taught me something. As much as I may have guided you, you have also transformed me. You have made me a better guide, a better coach, और सबसे important, a better human being. इसीलिए आज गुरु पूर्णिमा के दिन I bow down with gratitude to my parents, my spiritual gurus, my mentors, my teachers, my clients, my community. और हर उस इंसान का जिसने मेरी लाइफ में रोशनी का एक दिया जलाया, बिकॉज आई ट्रूली बिलीव अ गुरु डज नॉट जस्ट टीच अस समथिंग न्यू, अ गुरु अवेकन समथिंग ब्यूटिफुल that already exists within us. So before I leave, I want to invite you to do something today. बस 1 मिनट के लिए रुक जाइए, क्लोज योर आईज और सोचिए, who has been a guru in your life? Maybe your parents, a school teacher, a mentor, a spiritual master, a friend, your partner, your kids. Yes, yeah. फिर लाइफ का कोई डिफिकल्ट फेज जिसने आपको कंप्लीटली चेंज कर दिया, आज उनके लिए दिल से ग्रैटिट्यूड फील कीजिए, बिकॉज ग्रैटिट्यूड इज वन ऑफ द प्योरेस्ट वेज ऑफ ऑनरिंग आवर गुरुज. Thank you for being here with me today. This is the Mindful Rhythms, where healing begins with awareness, grows with compassion, and transforms through conscious living. With love and gratitude, I'm Vandana Raj. Happy Guru Purnima to all of you.